Do you know what day it is? We're heading out to Milwaukee.
Hello, my name's Jim.
So right now we are in near South Bend in Indiana. The bikes kept misfiring, choking up, almost had to pull over. How many guys we have in here? We got 1, 2, 6 guys, 1 bed. I know you were a magician. Whoa. You know what day it is? It is a very good day. We have a beautiful morning out here in dirty Jersey. Kind of clear skies in a way, but there's no rain. We're heading out to Milwaukee. It is 6 in the morning. We're up at the Wawa. We got our nice coffee. We're super excited. I'm super excited for this ride, man. I love doing this ride. So the plan is gonna be to leave Jersey right now, cut through PA into Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and then north up to Wisconsin. We're breaking it up into 2 days, so we'll probably rest up in Ohio for the night, but probably try to get deep into Ohio, so that way the next day we don't have that much miles to crush through. But we got all the bikes right here in the back. Give you guys a little walkthrough. We got this brand new 2025 Lowrider ST. You guys know this guy? All packed up, ready to go. We got a street glide right here, the 128. We got my boy Dio's bike, the OG Road Glide, another Road Glide, and then we got a Tobacco Fade, and then we have another Tobacco Fade. So a nice group of bikes, 3 and 3, baby. 3 Lowrider STs, 3 Road Glides.
So my tool roll and the handlebars.
Let me see how you pack, bro. What do you have? Oh, you did everything on the. Okay, I see you.
And then everything that I need for in the hotel.
Are your bags empty?
Toiletries, everything.
Or because these guys were I was telling these guys, hey, I'm a light packer. Even for like this 4-day trip that we have, I'm gonna use my saddlebags and that's it. And these bags are kind of small, so they fit a good amount, but not that much. And they were pretty surprised when I showed up and I had no big bag like this. It was just my 2 bags and that's it.
I have my rain gear in here.
Nice.
Extra set of gloves. You know, the cigar's a must.
Hey.
And then the other side, I have tools.
Nice.
My whole garage.
Nice. There we go. So that's it. Sit back, tune in for the ride, enjoy the ride at that, and enjoy the video. Dio is. All right, and we're off. All gassed up, all packed up. Let's go. Oh, I see you. All right, so it is now 7:08. We were supposed to leave at 6:30, but you know how it is. Good time to leave though. I remember last year we ended up leaving 9:30, almost 10 o'clock, and we got caught in a lot of traffic in PA. So in order to avoid that this year, I'm like, you know what, we're gonna be leaving earlier. Thankfully, it's not pouring right now. It was raining all night, and it was supposed to rain all morning, but everything cleared up, man, thankfully. But just in case, I am wearing my rain gear bands. I got the jacket in the bag, so just in case if anything, we'll pull over and put it on real quick. So we're well prepared. Super excited for this long trip. You guys know that I don't really do long destination trips like that as much as I would like to. So whenever I get the chance to do something like this, I'm always super hyped for it, super excited, and it's awesome. It's awesome just to get on a bike and cross over a few states, some miles down with a good group of friends and make some memories. We are going to be taking 80 all the way out there. So what we're going to do is that we're going to check in periodically at gas ups and once we get to certain destinations. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Well, we are at our first gas stop in PA, somewhere in PA. I'm not sure. We're gonna stop one more time or twice again to fill up. But we got a little pick me up, little Red Bull right now. You should be real comfortable on that seat though. It's super cushiony, you know?
Super cushiony, pero está un poco gastado esa vaina.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute.
And tobacco number 2. How's the ride so far?
It's nice. It's smooth, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, the ST is amazing. I'm like, love it.
Lee, how's the ride so far?
Hello, my name's Jeff. Tiring.
Nah, you can be tired. It's only been 2 hours. Or let me guess, you only slept 2 hours last night again?
Absolutely. Always.
Last time we went out to a cigar spot, this guy was like, yo, I slept like 1 hour last night. I'm tired.
That's dad life right there.
True.
Dad life.
Buddy, your first long trip on this bike. How's it going so far?
So far, so good.
Nice.
Comfy.
How's your trip so far?
It's all right.
He's like, oh, I don't know, my front end keeps wobbling a bit.
It's half off.
Yeah, this shit was off.
No, I did it.
Stop number 2. We are basically almost at the end of PA right now. Everyone's having a little snack. We got a diet of champs. Turkey, peanuts, Gatorade, and Bay. These guys had actual food and now someone over here fell asleep. Mr. Knapp over here.
Look at me, I'm in love.
I don't know if any of you guys have been to Texas Roadhouse, but I love this place. Fine steaks for a super cheap price. And this, you cannot beat this. The best little breads. And that butter with cinnamon is the best.
I've come.
Bellboy! Look at this bellboy. Guys, we got our own personalized bellboy.
I've never seen it. There's the first for everything.
Well, we made it to our first destination here for our little hotel stay for the night. We got our own personalized bellboy. What's your name, bellboy?
Oh, Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, the bellboy.
Mr. Lee it is. We're staying at the Best Westin. The pictures look good, so I hope they look as the picture, and hopefully when we go in there, it doesn't look like a crack house.
Holiday Inn, the Holiday Inn. 15.
Come on, Chingy. You like the Holiday Inn?
Chingy, nah. I said holiday.
Jerry. Hey, Jerry. What?
What is up with this guy? This is crazy.
Delusional.
Completely delusional. My boy's delirious. I get loose when I'm tired. You already put the muscle relaxers?
Loose without the goose.
Yeah, she like.
Go ahead and insert your card whenever you're ready.
Can you show us that trick again? Yeah. Show us that trick again.
Oh yeah, it's an easy trick. Take it, right?
I didn't know you were a magician.
Whoa.
It's crazy.
I wish you would have did that when the bill came. Yeah, where were you at when that bill came? David Blaine. Right. What bill?
Look at this shit.
Yo, who's this? Who's this? That?
It'll get warm when you plug it in too, so you know.
Damn, that's.
Fucking
Yo, is this yours, bro?
Nah.
We'll find out. Yo.
Do it, bro. We gotta do is learn to edit.
Watch your back, guys.
That's the crazy part, bro.
Well, we had a rainy awakening here. My seat is soaked, man. Good morning, everybody's ready to hit the road. We have about, let me see, I think it's 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours and 2 minutes to Milwaukee. So right now we are near South Bend in Indiana. So basically halfway through Indiana. And then we'll just go through Illinois and up to Wisconsin. Just do the loop. We're just gonna go over here and top off on gas. I gotta say, that hotel we stayed at, they were really nice there. Very accommodating, very nice. Good breakfast. So if you're in the area, stop by the Best Westin in Indiana. What really sucks is that it's supposed to rain all afternoon today. Tomorrow, Saturday, it's supposed to rain all day as well. So, I mean, hey, listen, we're gonna try to make the best out of it. I guess we're gonna spend a lot of time at the museum. At least we'll be inside. And we'll see what happens. 7-Eleven day?
On a little Mountain Dew, you know, killed some sperm killers.
Nice.
Like I need any more kids, right? Yeah.
Nothing better like a free Slurpee on a rainy day. I'm trying to dry up for now.
You know what would make it better? If it was 90 degrees, but it's 70 right now, and
I know.
it still works. After riding the rain.
Well, I left my exhaust, this nice little touch right here. My boot melting on it, so hopefully that melts off later. This thing is filthy.
You get some Scotch Brite.
2 hours of riding in the rain.
Whole thing heaven for 7-Eleven.
Clutch. Well, we are about 45 minutes out of Milwaukee right now. We're somewhere in Illinois. It sucked, man. Today, we left the hotel, it started downpouring, and it was 2 hours of just non-stop rain. And the bikes kept misfiring, choking up, to the point where we almost had to pull over because it was just a big-ass downpour. And all that water was just being sucked in. But they're good now. They're running fine. How many guys is it? How many guys we have in here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 guys, 1 bed. That's it. We're at the hotel. They only have 1 room available, so we all crashed in here real quick. Put ourselves while we wait for the other rooms. In the meantime, we're gonna go visit the Harley Davidson Museum real quick, catch up, and be back. This is gonna be the end of this video. So if you guys want to catch more of the content from the whole event this weekend, tune in and watch the other ones.